Hi, my name is Janet, and I am the co-founder of PUL. We're a medical device company that provides dental tools for clear aligner patients, such as Invisalign or Candid. Our company started with just one product, the original hook and ring removal tool for clear aligners, and today we have a whole range. But it started actually when I walked into the office and there was a patient waiting for us. She was crying because she hadn't eaten all weekend because she could not remove her Invisalign aligners. My dentist pulled me aside and said, "Janet, I thought I asked you to order something for our patients." I told him I did, but they were throwing it away in front of my face and it was just such a waste of money. I told him, somebody needs to invent something that works better. And he said to me, "Why don't you do it?" And my response, maybe I will. And so I did.